welcome to Immature Designer. In this video, we will be learning how we can make a simple prototype. So in this video, what we will learn is that when I click on this login button, a new screen will appear which will look like this, which will have this logged in thing. So when you're making a prototype, the prototype means is that you are clicking on things, you are hovering on things, and you can see what will happen in the actual, when the actual design comes up, when it gets live. So over here what we're gonna do is that this is an example login screen. Just for an example, I've created this small login screen having name, email, and then login button. So what we will see in the prototype is that when you click on this login, you will get this screen popped up saying you have been logged in. Okay, so just first of all, you just create any, when you have created your login design. So this is my design. When you have created it, so this is your button, right? Make sure that your that the text and the rectangle are grouped together. This should be a group. Okay, so this should be a group. And then this so that when it's not like you have to click on this login text, or you have to click on this rectangle. If you click anywhere in this particular area, since this has become a group, if you click anywhere in this area, the next screen should come up. Okay, so now this has been done. Now this was the design mode. Now we go to the prototype mode, and then what you will see that when you're hovering, you will see that you're having this small rectangles, small circles, sorry, having this plus sign. So just select. So when you're hovering, now what you want, that you have to click this button, right? So just go over here, and you have to click this plus sign and drag. So when you click and drag, this happens. Okay, I'll show you again. You hover, it becomes a plus, then you click and drag, and it becomes like this. Now what you want is that when you click on this login button, this screen should appear, right? So you just leave it on this. It says you go to frame 2, this screen should appear like this whole screen saying you have been logged in. Okay, so this pop-up shows, so you have to just go to the frame 2, and instantly you go to frame 2, right? That's all you have to do. That's done. So that was very simple. You have created a button, you have grouped it, and then you have dragged from the plus sign to the place you want to go. This was the 3-step thing. You have to create the button, you have to make the button a group so that you can click on any part of the button, not just the text, not just the rectangle, but the whole button. You have to click on the add this plus symbol and drag to the point where you want to go. This was the 3-step method, and this is a very simple example. Now this can be applied to complex things as well. So through this fundamental rule, you can now create complex prototypes as well. So let's see how this works. Now I click on the screen because this is a starting screen from where my prototype will start. I'll go to this play button. Now now what you will see that over here your cursor is a triangle, but when you come over here, your cursor becomes a finger, right? Now you click, now you see that this whole button is now workable, not just the text, not just the rectangle, because you made it a group. You click on this login, I clicked, and you see this whole new screen comes up where it says logged in. This was a very simple and basic fundamental example how you can do prototyping. Thank you.